Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Tinfoil not working on switch to 1.1.0 and how to fix this. Let's get started. First, go over to your Google Chrome or any browser you like and then search for tinfoil.io/download and then scroll down a bit till you find these 4 buttons. Now you have to click on this download Tinfoil, this one, and then click on this one. Just download these 2 files, just ignore this one and this one. Now once you download these 2 files, what you need to do is connect your Nintendo Switch to your desktop by using a USB cable, and once you connect this, you'll find your Nintendo Switch storage connected to your computer. Just open this and then go back to your files which you downloaded from Google and then extract them, and then once you extract this, just copy the files and then paste it in your Nintendo Switch storage. Once you do this, just restart your Nintendo Switch, and then here you'll find Tinfoil, and yes, this is how you can do it. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.